If you are looking for the best motor oil brands, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 best motor oils in 2025 that offer excellent protection, performance, and reliability for your engine. We considered performance, durability, manufacturer reputation, customer feedback, and overall value when making this list. All product links are included in the description below for your convenience. Let's get started with the video now. Number 1, Shell Rotella, full synthetic multi-vehicle, 5W30 diesel engine oil. If you want a reliable full synthetic oil for both diesel and gasoline engines, Shell Rotella T6MV is one of the best choices. It features triple protection plus technology, which fights wear, deposits, and oil breakdown. It's designed to deliver up to 2.8% better fuel economy without sacrificing engine protection. Plus, it has excellent oxidation resistance, keeping your engine cleaner for longer. One standout feature is its limited warranty, valid for up to 15 years or 500,000 miles when used exclusively. With its strong cold temperature flow, your vehicle will start smoothly even in extreme winter conditions. Number 2, Castrol GTX High Mileage, Nintendo W30 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil. If your car has over 75,000 miles, Castrol GTX High Mileage is a perfect fit. It uses phosphorus replacement technology to extend emission system life and has special seal conditioners to reduce oil leaks, something older engines often face. It also provides superior sludge protection, oil burn-off resistance, and even helps with fuel economy. Meeting API SP and ILSAC GF6 standards, it's a trusted choice for high-mileage passenger cars, trucks, and SUVs. Number 3, Castrol Edge Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil, 0W40. Next up, we have Castrol Edge, a premium full synthetic motor oil designed for high-performance engines. Recommended by world-leading car manufacturers, this oil excels under extreme pressure while maintaining protection for the entire drain interval. It works for both gasoline and light-duty diesel applications, giving you versatility and peace of mind. If you want maximum protection and durability for your engine, Castrol Edge is a top choice. Number 4, Triax Power 4-stroke 30W Full Synthetic for small engines like garden tractors, generators, mowers, compressors, and pressure washers. Triax Power 4-stroke stands out. It has a high zinc formula with 2x more zinc than most competitor oils, delivering unmatched wear protection. Built for commercial-grade durability, this oil can extend engine life up to 3x, longer than conventional oils. It also performs reliably across temperatures from 40 degrees to 130 degrees, ensuring smooth operation year-round. Additionally, it keeps engines clean and quiet with excellent deposit control, making it one of the best oils for small engine applications. Number 5, Castrol Edge, Nintendo W30 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Finally, we have Castrol Edge 10W30, another powerhouse in the Castrol lineup. This oil is proven to be 3x stronger than leading full synthetics and delivers 10x better performance under high stress. It's designed to last up to 20,000 miles or 1 year between oil changes, whichever comes first. Meeting the highest industry standards, Castrol Edge is ideal for cars and trucks that demand long-lasting, top-level protection. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best motor oil brands in 2025. Whether you're driving a high-mileage daily driver, a performance car, a diesel truck, or a small engine machine, there's a motor oil here that fits your needs perfectly. All product links are listed in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and drive safe.